welcome to Singapore airport. We got 5 hour layover in this airport. There is so much to do in this free time. So we're gonna be exploring Singapore and Changi airport. There is indoor waterfall, butterfly garden, botanical garden, pre-lunch. It's 5 a.m. in the morning. Our boarding time is until 11 a.m. So we have enough time for immigration and head out to the city. Right here is duty free. We have 3 hours left. 6:30.
Your attention please, baggage delivery for Singapore Airlines, Flight SQ218 is delayed due to
Only for few hours. Only see the Marina and we're going Philippines.
Oh,
after
so
like
what time is
afternoon.
your flight? What time is your flight?
12 o'clock.
Huh?
12. We just go around and come back.
Yeah, Marina Bay is the right place. Also, when you come back to airport, it's quite near.
Yeah.
Maybe you can go Sentosa also.
Sentosa also,
But it's too early. Sentosa now nothing.
Yeah, not open, right?
But Garden by the Bay, yeah. You want to go Garden by the Bay or you want to go Marina Bay Sands?
which one is open? Garden by the Bay open?
Garden by the Bay, I think it's not open yet also, but it's not 24 hours because.
So we hired an airport taxi for 3 hours and we are heading now Marina Bay Sands Hotel and Garden by the Bay. It's like Dubai. So for 3 hours our taxi fare, it cost 75 Singapore. It's like a 53 US dollar.
You can see all the building there is our commercial area,
Yeah.
the city area, all the financial
This is the commercial area.
Okay, your left side now.
Look at that, Xavier. Wow.
Singapore Flyer.
Singapore Flyer.
And
Marina Sands.
Marina Bay Sands Hotel. And then
Yeah.
that one is Garden by the Bay.
Garden by the Bay. See that
Yeah,
tree?
correct.
So night looks more nice with light and everything. Makanji, so do you want to just take taxi around the city and go back airport?
Yeah, probably will. It's difficult for us to
Find the taxi?
Yeah.
What do you think? You just give us a roam around the city and bring it to the airport?
Now, if you want to go Garden by the Bay,
We'll just go down, take some photo and again ride taxi.
oh, I can't wait for you there.
You cannot only drop,
Even the
only taking photo.
no even the rate is going like
You can just charge. It's okay. Just waiting charge, no problem.
But how long?
Maybe 2-3 minutes. Just take photo. We're not going inside.
Oh, you're not going inside.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's okay, yeah?
No problem.
Our flight is 12 o'clock, not 2. 12.
we need to be there at 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
So only 3 hours.
Yeah, only 3 hours. We are crazy, right? Just go out and then.
Yeah, we just want to see the Singapore.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, this is the Garden by the Bay main entrance.
Wow, look at this.
Okay, I wait for you here.
Yeah.
Y'all can go down and take some photo.
Photo, okay. Your side. Hmm. Wow, look at that tower in front of his area. It's zigzag.
You know F1?
F1?
F1.
Oh,
This
home
coming
of the Formula
September.
1 night
This coming
racing.
September, we are having the F1.
F1, okay.
Formula One.
Formula 1, Xavier, look at that, night racing. Here is welcome to Singapore Flyer. So it's early morning and most of the attraction is not yet open. So we just went to the main downtown area and we're back to the Terminal 1. One of the things you will find most amazing about Singapore in Terminal 1 is Singapore Jewel. Terminal 1.
Later you all go to Terminal 1, then go down to Terminal 3.
Okay.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, huh?
Yeah, I know that one.
Okay.
Our boarding pass is Terminal 3 here. So we go down here.
Yeah, this is Jewel Airport inside. The waterfall.
Wow. Take from the. Look at the robot driving that here. Wow, the waterfall is not operating. So actually it's early morning, waterfall not yet open, but the night this with light looks amazing. If you are in Singapore, this is must see. Look at this. Look, we need this dog. It's not open. If it is open, it's more nice. See? We are in Terminal 1 right now. We have to go to Terminal 3. So we're gonna ride a sky train. Louis Vuitton store in Terminal 3. One of the thing in Singapore's weather, when we went in the city, it was sunny, beautiful. Now it's rainy and thunderstorm. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.